Alright, what's up guys? We are here with a bunch of people from the TikTok shop group. So we got this house. We are here in what part of California are we in? Newport Beach, California, spending the weekend here. Not doing too much work, but honestly sometimes you need to just take a break. So we got Danny over here, and then outside we got Troy and Tyreek outside, and Clay's out there too. Ashley and Daylene, they will be back here soon. You got here Wednesday, I think.
Yeah. Driving up and down the coast.
This guy leaves his corporate job for 2 months and he's, no, a month.
I'm on a world tour, man.
World tour.
A celebration tour.
But yeah, so later we're gonna be going to a restaurant for like bonfire on the beach thing, and that's the perks of being able to do what you want when you want. Let's go see your world tour. I was gonna say watching Alex Hormozzi's event launch. If you guys launched that, he made an absurd amount of money. That's ridiculous. But look at all those people. He said he like what? He got the 4th or 5th highest.
This is the sales
Yeah, 6th highest ever. I think. We're gonna say I'll tell everyone we're filming here.
An event like this, but only about the lead system.
Welcome to the crib.
Oh yeah?
We're here with, we got Troy.
How's it going, Troy?
Tyreek, you guys know Tyreek. We're the man, the myth, the legend, Tyreek, Mr. California himself. Troy, you're from Florida.
I'm from Florida. Yeah.
Florida, yep. But we are out here. It's a beautiful house, beautiful weather, California. The first time you've been to California?
No, this is my first time in California. Yeah.
Tyreek lives in California.
First time in California.
Danny's been here before. Tyreek lights up when the camera's on, so he's got something to say.
What's the question I'm gonna ask?
I don't know.
Am I gonna ask you a question? Wait, who's asking the
Drop
question?
some wisdom.
Troy, you go
You're
first.
newer to TikTok shop.
Yeah.
Someone who just started TikTok shop, like what are some you're like, man, I wish I knew this.
Well, the biggest thing is like when I first started, I wanted to know everything like right then and there. So that's why I got into reaching out to you. I was like, I want it all. Like, I want to know everything like now. You know, that's what I told you. I was in the call with you. I was just like, I want everything now because I don't want to waste time. I just want to learn it all.
And what's funny is Troy is here because of Danny. So Troy saw Danny's content, and then Danny.
Crazy
sent him
world,
over
man.
Yeah. Saw Danny's content.
The
Well,
pure-
actually, I did see yours first for a second.
Oh,
there.
really? Okay.
Then I seen Danny, and then Danny's like, yeah,
This guy's more famous.
yeah, reach out to this guy. And I was like, oh, okay. Yeah, so.
We're building the pyramid. Entirely a joke.
Yeah.
I would say, look, I wish I would have paid for somebody to teach me whatever I didn't know sooner. I really wish I would have spent more of my money in myself rather than dumb stuff my whole life, honestly, because I would have been at this point way younger and been way farther, way quicker. So I think wasting money on dumb stuff is stupid, and why would you wait for your future to come to you?
Yeah.
It's deep.
Yeah.
And everything's like trial and error too. So like if you're gonna sit there and do trial and error constantly, it's just best to have a team behind you out that's been doing it with you as well. So it's like you can work out those equations a lot faster. As
What's
well.
your highest view video? I mean, I saw one of yours actually pop. Like, was it 70, 80K or something like that?
My highest views?
Yeah.
My highest views at
Oh, you have a couple of
1.4
million. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.
1.4 mil.
That simple video. Yeah.
Yeah, and that one video still rolls in and makes me like probably $30 a day, just every day. Yeah.
It was like a 5-second video or something.
It was 28 seconds long. Yeah. Yeah.
What's crazy is we all made just like one decision that led us all here. Like I would, if I didn't close up with Kade, then I would never have met Tyreek, would never have met Troy, would never have met all these people. Wouldn't even be here right now. So I'd be at work probably on my computer, wanting to,
Yeah. I wanted to talk.
Cut that part out.
Once you stop trying to do everything alone, you're just not gonna get that far.
That's
You're just not
what I
gonna
did
get
all
that
of
far.
2024. I didn't really tell anyone or talk about it.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be better with the community. It's so much stronger. Like, I love these guys right here. Even though I just met them, it's just I just feel more comfortable, you know.
Tyreek texted me the other day before the trip. He was like, I need a big hug. So show up. Give me a nice big hug.
Tyreek and I sleep in the same bed at night.
Okay, all right.
Somebody's like, oh, I'm not joining.
All right, Ashley and Daylene just showed up. So I know everybody has seen Ashley's videos. We are about to film Daylene's case study. Daylene, you did what, $1,000 yesterday?
Yeah, well, 1,000 the day before, 890 yesterday.
Just $8.90.
Well,
Just $8.90 yesterday.
And this is like,
yeah, it's going good.
is this like your first full month too, right?
Yeah, I haven't, like, just a couple days ago I hit my first full month, but yeah, we're projecting 10K for August.
No, 15K. She's already at. She's
I know. I'm like low. I feel like I'm low.
She's already at 8K
What day is
for
it?
August. The
It's the
15th and
15th,
16th.
16th, yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, 15. Yeah.
She's gonna hit 15K.
And that's on one account too, which
One
is
account.
ridiculous.
Insane.
So we're gonna be filming that video, and then we're going to a beach bonfire. I don't even know what you want to call it. We'll be doing that later, so I guess you guys will see footage of that. All the way. Thanks, Coley.
What's up, everybody?
For the vlog.
What up? What is it? What are we looking at? Hey guys, if you want to make tons of money, go on TikTok. This guy, Guru. So I won it from a TikTok competition. It was actually free. So the best watch is a free watch. So yeah, I won that competition. That's true. Hey, if you guys actually want to be rich, don't buy shit like that. This is true. Don't buy. That's literally how you get a lot of money. Is don't buy that shit. Just win it.
Unless you win it.
Just win
Unless
it.
you make the company
Win
so
it
much
or
money
steal
that,
it.
like here.
And it's more valuable. Guru mode.
Paid for by TikTok.
Where's everybody else at?
It is so
There's still driving here. I think there's still
Oh, what?
Guys, how we feeling? What are we thinking?
Good. I'm eating some banging shrimp, like literally. It's
Bang,
called
bang
banging.
shrimp.
Yeah, bang bang.
Nice.
My face is very sunburned.
Let's see it.
That's what they call the Fisher effect.
How does it?
True.
How does it feel?
It turns into a tan.
Where's the burn?
Here. Everywhere.
Kate, any thoughts? How are we doing?
It doesn't get better than this. On the beach. Got the sun going down. Eat some chicken fingers. Best gang call here, man.
That's right.
We're good.
So there's people that are probably watching this and they wish they were here. Or they're like, how do I actually be a part of something cool with all these people? They could kind of put themselves into your shoes and see it. How do you feel about that? What would you tell them?
You have to level up your mind. Like the law of attraction is very real. I did not believe in it that much. I didn't understand it. But the law of attraction, once you start getting into the mindset that I'm going in this direction, you'll start to see things come to you. Like, I really don't know how I met Kay, but he literally popped up. I watched a little bit more, and it was rap. Like, I met him, and now I'm here. Like, that law of attraction of your intention on going somewhere far, that stuff is very attractive. And I really found out you really don't chase money, you attract it. The more you get consumed in that type of stuff, you start to realize you attract money. Chasing money, you're never gonna get it. You're never gonna get where you wanna be. You gotta attract money, you gotta get in that mindset. Read, learn, study, and stop trying to go to the quick stuff. You're not gonna find people, beautiful people like this who want it like you. You're just not. It's impossible.
Make a change. I mean, it's that simple. Like, there's really kind of two options, right? It doesn't matter your situation. You have a choice. Either get up, make a change with your life, take actions that actually align with the version of yourself you want to be, right? If that's a $10,000 version of you, 20,000, whatever. If you see your life differently than what it is now, you have to make a change and break the cycle, right? Because if you don't, you keep the same thing and you keep doing the same things every single day, working the same job, going to this, gym, coming back home, going to dinner, going to bed, do the same thing. You don't make a change, nothing changes. Find what you want to do. If this is your goal, do something like this. Work backwards. Get your goal in mind, and then take steps that lead you to that goal. So just be very clear with what you want to do, and then path will kind of unfold. It's not always very clear what to do at the time, but the path will unfold as you go. If that makes sense. It does make sense. Okay. Drop shipping. You tried that. What else did you try?
Dropshipping, NFTs, paintings, art, music, a little bit of that as well. But when I saw, same as what Kay was saying, when I saw people, what they were doing to make money with TikTok, even though I'd never done like TikTok videos or anything like social media before, I was like, I think I can do this and put up some similar numbers. I was like, if I can even be half as good as these guys, I should be able to pay my rent. So I started that, but yeah, and it just kind of clicked. But luckily, we met this guy to help steer me in the right direction, get the right position.
Why do you think the other ones didn't work?
I honestly think that, for example, with a lot of things in life, like there's an opportunity window. Some of those were just like either not like available for a long time or it just didn't match my skill set at the time. And I think this one I kind of caught early enough to like really kind of hone the skills and make the most of it. And I think it's still probably got another 12 months or so, probably maybe a year or two left where you can really kind of rip it with this. So, but I think timing was a huge part of this.
How did you first figure out there was something there with TikTok?
I saw someone that was like a college kid. He did like 30K in a month, and I saw the videos. And I was like, what is this? And so started posting on TikTok Shop. It was actually my buddy that got the first sale. He called me. I remember I was at a basketball game. He called me, he was like freaking out. He's like, I got my first sale. My buddy got the first sale instead of me, and that's probably what kept me going, to be honest. I might have given up, I don't know. But he got the first sale, and then he actually had the video blow up. He did like 1 million views, $1,000, something like that. Shout out Ryan. And then that's what kept me going, to see him get those sales. And it was just a stupid little faceless video for like a pair of joggers or something like that. So seeing that is what kept me going. Then 11K the first month in February of 2024. At that point, when you make that much, you're like, all right, no matter what happens, I'll figure it out. And somehow I ended up here, what are we, 15 months later, 16 months later, something like that. Crazy.
What's your highest commission month?
January was 38K or something like that. And I think the month after was like 33 or something like that.
Wow.
That was February of 2024. July 2024 was the breakout. That was 30K. That was the Moringa powder. So that one was really great though.
All right, we're back one more time. So today is Sunday and we're gonna be heading out of the house here in a couple hours. Everybody's sitting down on the couch as well. So I just completely lost things to say. Usually it's a little more scripted than this, but yeah, it was cool to have everybody out here. So maybe next time it'll be substantially bigger. We'll see, I don't know.
Everyone's talking about international parenting, so that's what we're gonna do next. Dubai next.
What did everybody think about it? I'll kind of go around and...
It was cool, man. It was good meeting everybody. Like, actually, you guys are all like really genuine and cool, and that's really cool. Connected with a lot of these guys here.
Amazing experience. Like, you know, we've been talking to each other online for months at this point, so it was great to meet everybody. Everybody's super cool. I got phone numbers and like, yeah, we're friends for life. So you guys aren't gonna be able to get rid of me.
Oh, it was an awesome experience, and I just learned so much. I'm like ready to get back and like implement all this stuff that I've learned so far. So
Yeah, like a lot of these people I see more than like my actual family, like online and stuff. So it's really great just to like be in the same room as that. And kind of like what Troy said, they're real, genuine people. And so that's what's great. We're not just much like fakos or something. Like we're real people with lives. And yeah, I just love y'all.
Yo, my name's Sassy. Well, these people are cool. I got to know a bit of everybody's story. That was like my mission. It's crazy. Everybody's like different. I literally got everybody by themselves and was like, so, and I just started guiding them. But it's cool hearing everybody's story, man. That's one thing I loved about this whole thing.
Everyone told me not to meet up with strangers on the internet. Glad I did. So it's not good advice. See, like, meet up with people on the internet. No, I'm just kidding. Everyone's really super cool. I think it's cool to get around people that are like-minded. It pushed you to kind of be better. And so awesome experience. And these guys are money forever. I love it.
I think that's all we got. So if you guys want to change your life with TikTok Shop, there's no better opportunity in the world. Someone who's gone through all of these opportunities before. In no other shape or form can you go from 0 to 10K or daily in first full month gonna do 15K or something like that. So it's cool to meet everybody and see the fruitions of something that I didn't think was even gonna exist probably 5-6 months ago. And I told Adam behind the camera when I started making these videos, I was like, you know, even if nothing happened from it, it's cool, whatever, you know, no big deal. And so pretty cool to be here, basically 6-7 months later. So that's about all I got, and I guess we will see everybody in the next video.